Hi everyone, it's Jamie. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do broccoli slaw. We use this as a side for really anything, holiday get-togethers, cookouts, hamburgers, hot dogs, steaks, Thanksgiving dinners. We do it for everything really. So with the broccoli slaw, you will need 2 bags of the broccoli slaw. You can find this in the produce section of any grocery store. You will also need 2 packets of the Oriental flavored noodles. We use the ramen noodle brand, but you can use any kind of brand that's similar. You will also need 8 ounces of slivered almonds, 8 ounces of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of oil, a half cup of sugar, and then a 1/3 cup of white wine vinegar. And then we just mix everything up together. I'll insert a photo here so that way you all can see everything that I have. And I'll also be inserting the ingredients and directions at the end of the video. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this. So the first step that I like to do is I like to toast the slivered almonds and the sunflower seeds. I do this on a pan under the broiler. And then while I'm waiting on those to get done, I will crunch up the romaine noodles. This is them. And I will take the little packets out of them. We will use these, so don't get rid of them. And then of course I have my broccoli slaw here, and then in the cups I have my sugar and my oil and my vinegar. So once we have crunched up the noodles and everything like that, we will go ahead and start mixing together our oil, our sugar, and our white wine vinegar. So we have 1 cup of oil, a half cup of sugar, and then we have a 1/3 cup of the white wine vinegar. Okay. And I'll put those over to the side. Okay, and you do just want to go ahead and mix this. It's easiest if you do it with a whisk. Just make sure that everything gets incorporated together. Okay, once you have that all mixed in together, you will take your packets from your ramen noodles. And you should have 2 of them. You need 2 packets. Okay. And then we'll mix that up too. In those packets, you should have something that looks very similar to this. It's like a ooey gooey. But everything needs to be mixed up really nice. And then we will sit this aside. And I always grab a large bowl and we will throw everything together. So what I like to do is I go ahead and open up the broccoli slaw packs. And I'll empty those in first. And the order doesn't matter. This is just something that I like to do myself. Okay. And then we will add in the noodles, all crushed up. And then I will come over here and I grabbed these are the toasted almonds and the sunflower seeds. And go ahead and lock those in. And then last, I will go ahead and add in my mixture. And once you go ahead and shake it all up, you will have this as your mixture. And it is absolutely delicious. Like I said, it's very refreshing. It's great for any kind of meal that you do. And we always love to do it as our sides. But it's a wonderful option. And I will go ahead and add in the directions and the ingredients for you all. And I hope you all enjoy.